Hello again. I'm hoping the camera stays on this time because the SD card kept turning off the camera earlier. But I'm here at Rathgall Hillfort in County Carlow. So hillforts were ancient enclosures used for habitation, metalworks, ironworks, and this one specifically for bronze works. So you can see the image here. This is what it looks like from your drone shot. Now I won't be able to obviously get the same view, but we're going to be coming up this way and then just check out what's there. So I just found this randomly again on Google Maps. So plenty of places to find. So there's lots of hillforts all across Ireland. They predate most Irish, any of the written records. So this one they believe is dated to the Bronze Age. So it's one of the oldest in Ireland and possibly in Europe. So it's very windy. I hope the mic was working. I'm not too caught up on my ancient Irish history. I just know hillforts are across the whole country. Mostly in the west, but there's quite a few dotted around. So hillforts, each of the rings was obviously a barrier. So it would have protected from attack. A lot of the time it would have been on elevated land, or they would have elevated the land so they had a better view. Now they possibly could have flooded it or used boggy land. So here you can see one outer ring, and then the second ring here, hence ringfort or hillfort. You can see quite big, so there would have been settlements in here, livestock. The sign back there said that there is a small cemetery and the bronze works or ironworks in the centre enclosure. And then you'll see now when I'm in the top, I don't know if it picks up the camera, but we are slightly elevated. This one's big actually. So it was excavated during the 60s and 70s, and the sign back there said that before they used to believe most were dated to the Iron Age, but this one is dated to the Bronze Age, so they were able to find more artifacts here. Now, there's not much left, it's just a green patch. So any of those structures or whatever the artifacts they found were obviously very deep, or they've taken them away. So yeah, ringfort, shaped in a ring. So I know I say these are just stones in the ground, but this obviously gave archaeologists an indication of what the area was used for. Now, just get up high, a little bit high here, see. Now, you get the idea. Oh, try not to fall. It's very windy, but you see now how we're elevated slightly. So yeah, Rathgall Hillfort in County Carlow. So I think it was about 10 minutes drive from Duckett's Grove, and everything I visited today, these all might actually not be together in the video, but everywhere I visited today in Carlow was all within a 10 or 15 minute drive of one another. Now I could have spent way more time in each place and even here, but well, this place is like pretty ancient. It's worth a visit though. If you've never seen anything like it, it's interesting enough. It's good for the Instagram. Looks like you got out and about, and today is lovely. Now here's a bit windy, but it's spring, so I'm quite happy. So the outer walls, yeah, each wall would have been a barrier protection, keep animals in, protect them from wildlife, then protect the people from attack or raiders. Obviously Bronze Age time, there's not any written records for really what they were up against, but this would have been a basic settlement for them. Would have been a bit of work putting into building all this, and it's withstood the test of time for thousands of years. It's all fairly well held together. Yeah, but I just have to go by what that notice board said about the ironworks and stuff, because there's nothing here but very nicely shaped rocks. Anyway, thanks for watching.